Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple and healthy smoothie for our kids at home. So today we're going to be using some bananas, some apples, strawberries, carrots, some Greek yogurt, orange juice to make our smoothie. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. And please also drop some comments and let me know which other type of video you would like me to post next time. Thank you very much. So as we all know, it's very good for our kids to have some fruit and vegetables to give them some of the nutrients and the energy that they need for today. And our kids, they can sometimes play with their meals. So by adding these fruits and veggies into their daily meals, we give them a lot of energy and some of the nutrients that they need for the day. Okay, so you can also use your blender or your hand blender to make your smoothie. If you don't have your smoothie cup, you can use your blender. It will work perfectly okay. So right now I'm just going to add the last portion of my fruit and veggie into my smoothie cup and make my smoothie. Right now I'm done making my smoothie. As you can see, it looks very nice and yummy. My kids, they enjoy having their smoothie, and I'm happy when they do because it gives them the nutrients and some of the vitamins that they need to grow. Thank you very much, and please remember to subscribe and like my video. Till we see you next time. Thank you. Bye.